Psalm 5 verse 3, In the morning, Lord, you hear my voice. In the morning I lay my requests before you and wait expectantly. Lamentations 3 verses 22 to 23, Because of the Lord's great love we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness. Psalm 143 verse 8, Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love, for I have put my trust in you. Show me the way I should go, for to you I entrust my life. Mark 1 verse 35, Very early in the morning, while it was still dark, Jesus got up, left the house and went off to a solitary place, where he prayed. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6, Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Isaiah 50 verse 4, The sovereign Lord has given me a well-instructed tongue, to know the word that sustains the weary. He wakens me morning by morning, wakens my ear to listen like one being instructed. Psalm 59 verse 16, But I will sing of your strength, in the morning I will sing of your love, for you are my fortress, my refuge in times of trouble. Matthew 6 verse 33, But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Psalm 90 verse 14, Satisfy us in the morning with your unfailing love, that we may sing for joy and be glad all our days. Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all this through him who gives me strength. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.